Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best dryer vent cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked tools for maintaining your home's safety and efficiency, preventing potential fire hazards caused by lint buildup and ensuring your clothes dry faster, saving you time and energy. Number 5. Holikme 30 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Holikme 30 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. This essential home tool is designed for efficient and thorough cleaning of your dryer vents and chimneys. It features high-quality synthetic brush heads and flexible rods that can extend up to an impressive 30 feet. This allows you to reach deep into vents for a complete clean. You can use this versatile cleaning tool with or without a power drill for professional results. Simply connect the rods securely for a hassle-free cleaning experience. By removing built-up lint and dust from your dryer's vent, duct, and exhaust port, you can significantly improve its working performance. Choose the right brush head size for optimal cleaning. Stop paying expensive professional services for vent cleaning. Our kit provides an affordable solution for maintaining your dryer's performance and saving you money. Lint buildup is a major cause of dryer fires. Regularly cleaning your vents with this tool is the most effective way to prevent these dangerous fire risks and ensure your safety. What we like. This kit offers an impressive reach of up to 30 feet, making it ideal for longer vent systems. It provides the flexibility to be used with or without a power drill, catering to different user preferences. If you're looking for a versatile option that can handle extended vent runs and offers both manual and powered cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say. The 1-foot rod segments are made of flexible polyethylene and screw together in normal clockwise direction. On one end, you have a 1/4-inch attachment for an electric driver, and the other end attaches one of the two brushes. The kit comes with a round 4-inch brush for cleaning the duct, and one elongated brush for cleaning inside the lint chute. Worked great to clear the 20+ foot dryer vent line. The rods make it easy to reach your endpoint, it's lightweight, fits the drain line perfectly, and the drill made it easy to drive it past the points it was hanging up, with just steady, slow clockwise turning. The brush is also high quality with plenty of bristle, not too stiff or soft, but just right for the job. Easy connect to my drill. Can be a short or very long tool. Simple to use. Number 4. Sealegend Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. This kit removes years of accumulated lint from your dryer vents. It ensures your appliance runs more efficiently and securely. With over 2.6 feet of length, these attachments reach deep into difficult places. They are perfect for cleaning appliances you can't easily move. Our adapter works with most vacuum cleaners, making it easy to assemble and use. It's great for both light and heavy-duty cleaning. This extra-long brush is designed to clean trapped lint in your dryer. It's also perfect for cleaning coils behind your refrigerator. Regularly cleaning your dryer vent with this tool helps prevent dangerous fires. It loosens and removes lint from dryer walls. What we like. This option stands out with its integrated vacuum hose attachment, allowing you to simultaneously vacuum up loosened lint. Its flexible design can reach difficult areas, perfect for those who want to combine brushing and suction. If you have a powerful vacuum cleaner and want a more efficient, dust-minimizing cleaning experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The connector end is universal, so it fits on all vacuums. The brush helped me get any lint free from small corners. It fit on perfectly to the end of my vacuum. It's great for underneath the tight spaces of the washer and dryer and other nooks and crannies like the refrigerator. The super flexible hose gets deep down into the dryer, attaches in seconds to my vacuum, and in under 5 minutes it does the job. This is a must-have in every home. Loads end up drying faster and gives me peace of mind that the chance of fire or issue is reduced. Number 3. 30 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Tired of struggling with your dryer vent? Our innovative kit is designed to reach every corner, no matter the shape or size of your pipes. It's the ultimate solution for a thorough clean. Unlike other vent cleaners, ours is built with strong, durable nylon, not flimsy plastic. The attachment rods screw together easily, giving you a reliable tool for the job. Attach it to your drill for incredibly fast cleaning. This tool will have your vent spotless in minutes, saving you time and effort. Dirty dryer vents are a serious fire hazard and can increase your energy bills. Keep your home safe and save money with this essential cleaning tool. Stop searching for the perfect lint trap cleaner. You found it. Experience the best in vent cleaning technology. We're confident you'll love this product. That's why every purchase is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. The standout feature here is the durable nylon brush head, designed to be gentler yet effective. It's engineered to navigate tight corners and turns with ease, ensuring no spot is missed. If you prioritize a brush that won't damage your vents and can effectively clean complex ductwork, this innovative design is worth considering. What people say. The device is sturdy, came with plenty of extension attachments, an easy-to-use end piece to chuck in a drill. The brush was good, and stiff, but appropriate for the task. The brush also didn't seem to hold on to any lint, just pushed it through. It does the job as advertised. Following the instructions, I assembled the first few links, powered up the drill and started the roto cleaning. Results were positive, so I added more links. Ultimately got about 20 feet of vent cleaned and a ton of bundled lint out of the vent. The length of the kit was great and the brush attached did a great job, but then to get it really cleaned out you can use a drill to get the walls really clean, which it did. Number 2. Sealegend 35 feet dryer vent cleaner kit. Tired of lint buildup slowing down your dryer? Our professional cleaning tool set is designed to help you deep clean your dryer and remove stubborn lint. With flexible nylon rods that connect easily and extend up to 35 feet, you can reach every part of your dryer vent. It works with your drill, shop vacuum, or blower for a thorough clean. This attachment connects to most vacuum cleaners, allowing you to reach deep into your dryer and remove years of accumulated lint. It's designed for effective cleaning in those hard-to-reach places. Use the extra-long brush to clean trapped lint and dust from dryer gaps, exhaust ports, and even the coils behind your refrigerator. It's a versatile tool for keeping your appliances clean. Why pay professionals hundreds of dollars for a cleaning? Our comprehensive kit provides everything you need to maintain your dryer vent, saving you money and hassle. This kit includes a variety of specialized tools, from brushes and adapters to lint collection bags and a blockage removal tool. It's everything you need for a complete dryer cleaning experience. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution, boasting a massive 50-piece set that includes numerous specialized attachments. It offers an impressive 35-foot reach and comes with adapters for both vacuum cleaners and dryers for maximum versatility. If you're someone who likes to have every possible tool for a deep, thorough clean and wants a kit that can handle almost any vent configuration, this extensive package is unbeatable. What people say. The kit includes a flexible rod that can be assembled to reach long distances. It effectively removes lint buildup from the dryer vent, improving airflow and drying time. The brush head is designed to navigate tight corners and bends in the vent system. Number 1. Holikme 40 feet dryer vent cleaner kit. Introducing the Holikme 40 feet dryer vent cleaner kit. This essential home tool is designed for thorough cleaning of your dryer vents. It's incredibly easy to use, with or without a power drill. Achieve professional cleaning results effortlessly, just remember to always turn the rod clockwise and move slowly. This kit includes a drill attachment to help you clean out built-up lint and dust. Keeping your dryer vent clear significantly improves its work performance. Why pay professionals hundreds of dollars when you can do it yourself? Our kit offers a cost-effective solution for maintaining your dryer. Lint buildup is a major cause of dryer fires. Regular cleaning with this tool is the safest way to prevent these dangerous risks. The flexible rods extend up to 40 feet, allowing you to reach deep into your dryer vents. The kit comes with brush heads of different sizes for versatile cleaning. What we like. This kit offers the longest reach at an impressive 40 feet, making it perfect for very long or complex dryer vent systems. It also includes 2 different sized brush heads to accommodate various vent diameters. If your priority is maximum length and the ability to tackle the most extensive vent runs, this extended reach option is the clear winner. What people say. It navigated some pretty extreme bends in my ductwork with no issues. The plastic links are both durable and flexible, a property that I tested well with my inexpert operation. Did the job well. As shown in the pictures, it did great about loosening up lint and other stuff stuck in the vent pipe. It also cleaned the flexible dryer hose as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.